This is Debashish Misra. So first of all, wish you all a happy Republic Day to all my dear students, and happy Saraswati Puja to all of you. Wish you all the very best for this particular day. You celebrate well. Today we will discuss some job opportunity for you. It is for freshers and it is also for experienced people. That means I will tell for from 2019, 1920, 2021, 21, 22 students, those who are pass out or those who are now going to be pass out. It is important for them. Sometimes I always try to give you some opportunity which will definitely help you, and that type of opportunity I have brought for you. So just check it. First of all, you will see uh, advanced auto part hiring freshers for Hyderabad. Associate need freshers junior research to have strong RDBMS concepts and hands-on SQL experience is must. So you can send your CV to this. I will give in my description. So you will mail to him. Okay. So second, Kiran System PPT Ltd for Hyderabad. Java freshers who are Sun Java certified with excellent communication skills. CTC 3 LPA 20, 21, 22 pass out students. You can mail to this. Then TAF is hiring freshers for Bangalore. Knowledge on React or ROR. Share your profile to this. Just mail to him. Then SAP ABVP freshers hiring Bangalore must complete the course in SAP. Okay, so you can share your CV to this. I will give in my description, so easily you can share. Then Arison Technology is inviting application for hiring interns. Location Noida, work from the office, duration 3 months, paid internship plus PPO based on the performance. Share resume this digital marketing intern, human research intern, content writing intern, web designing intern, Java developer intern, manual testing intern, HR admin intern, graphics intern. We are looking for it. This much. Then sixth one, we are looking for a trained freshers in AWS plus developers for Bangalore. Candidates should have 6 months of training in the same. Share your CV to this. Then seven, people take is hiring or testing freshers 20, 21, 22 batch. Location Hyderabad. Share or resume to this. Then Protogrity is hiring trained software engineer or QA fresher. Location remote WFH. Qualification maybe BE, maybe BTech, BSc, BCA, ME, MTech, MSc, MCA. So BE, BTech means you have whatever branch. If it is civil, mechanical, electrical, computer science, electronics, whatever branch, it is applicable. Experience freshers batch 20, 21, 22, 23 मीन्स जो स्टूडेंट 2023 में पास आउट भी हो गए मी उन लोगों के लिए भी वो एप्लीकेबल है. सो अप्लाई थ्रू दिस. देन इमीडिएट हायरिंग फ्रेशर्स एज जावा डेवलपर. शेयर अ रिज्यूम टू this mail ID. Qualification BE, BTech, MCA. Wherever it is mentioning BE, BTech and MCA, BE, BTech means whatever branch you have, you can apply. If some students they have asking, we are mechanical, we can apply or not? You can apply. BE, BTech. He has not mentioned any specified branch. Computer science, electronics, electrical. He has written only BE and BTech, so you can apply. Location is Chennai. Must completed Java related certification. 10th, Gendary Technology PBT Ltd conducting walk-in drive for junior developer on 4th February, Hyderabad. Experience 0 to 2 years. If you are fresher also you are applicable, and if you have 1 to 2 years experience it is also applicable. Education BE BTech. Here also he has mentioning BE BTech. So if you have any branch you can go to the interview. BSc MSc students also. Computer science and information technology. Okay, here it is mentioned BTech, BSc, MSc, Computer Science and Information Technology. Okay, here it is mentioned. So only Computer Science and Information Technology students can do BE, BTech, BSc, MSc in Computer Science and Information Technology. Okay, so year past 2021, 22. My skills: HTML skill must be required, JavaScript, Java and SQL. Time or venue: 4th February 11 am to 2 pm. Gendary Technology, PBT Ltd, 201, first floor, KTC Illumination Towers, BTT Rao Nagar, Hitech City, Hyderabad. Then Indium Software in conducting virtual working drive for testing freshers on 25th January 23 from 10:30 to 11:30 for हैदराबाद लोकेशन। तो 25 जनवरी 2023 को होगा 10:30 से 11:30 फॉर हैदराबाद लोकेशन। तो इतना ही था। जब जितना मैंने कलेक्ट किया हूँ वो सब तुम लोगों के साथ शेयर कर दिया हूँ। अगर तुम लोग को ये हेल्प हो जाएगा तो फिर ज़्यादा बेहतर है तुम्हारे करियर के लिए। सो ऐसे न्यू न्यू अपडेट के लिए देखते रहिए, लाइक करते रहिए और सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना ऐसे न्यू न्यू अपडेट के लिए। फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ न्यू इन्फॉर्मेशन के साथ। थैंक यू।